help. You decide you want to be the winner. So how many of you wish to be winners? Lift your hand. At least 90% lifted their hand. Big round of hand. So what do you have to do? Develop the habit. Am I correct? Develop the habit. Now what habits winner should have? What develop? What qualities winner should develop? Anyone tell me.
So one of the things between winners and losers is winners don't do different things, sir. They do the same things in different way.
Yes. Give a big round of hand. Winner will do always something creative. Winner will be always dedicated. Winner will be having lot of concentration. Winner is the most dedicated person. Winner is again a responsible person. A lecturer or a professor or a teacher design, entrust a responsibility to a winner. How the winner will handle, how the loser is going to handle it. Winner will handle with all responsibility. Sir, give it, sir. Nagaraj. He's telling, yes, give it, sir. I will handle it. So confident. Today Ravi sir also was telling me. Yes, he's being entrusted, they will handle it properly. See the confidence. So basically the winner develop a lot of qualities. Let the loser at least sit beside and identify. Anyway, I am a loser. Let me be a winner. Let me look into the winner. Let me look into his qualities. Yes or no? Down the line, school dropout, college dropout. What is a college dropout means? I will ask him. Hello, tell me. Who is called the college dropout?
Because he can't win,
Yes.
he can't compete in the competition.
Yes.
And
Basically, he's tend to be.
hesitation.
He's going to be loser, isn't it? See my friend. He tend to be a loser. So college drop out, school dropout, company fired. You find them anywhere? Second class. 3 students failed. It is those 3 students are going to give certificate to the professors, to the institutions. You tell me? Okay, what the losers are going to talk around in Tungur or elsewhere? About the college, about the lecturers, about the professors, about the teachers, about whosoever. What they are going to talk?
Negative. College is not
Mr. Nelson is telling they are going to talk negative. And negative certificate. We give any value to those certificates? Should we give? No. Because in the same college, same class, not possible, sir. Hard work is not possible. But I am telling you, work hard. Only the younger age you can work hard. During schooling time, I used to remember, okay, I will complete my studies. I will make this much properties. These many things I will make, and I will settle. I will be very happy. Completed the studies, started doing job. What dream I had, the first dream which I dreamt in school, small dreams. We'll be talking about those things in the later stage, but small dreams. Once it is realized, you imagine, those dreams are realized, it is time for idle? No. Keep on working hard. Keep on working very hard. Never say no to hard work. Who tells no to hard work? Quitters will tell. Losers are going to tell. So you should be friend with them. You should be friend with them. You should take hand with them. You should move around with them. You should go to the movie theater with them. You should go for sightseeing with them. winners and losers, the main categories in every college, in every company, in every institution. We move around, we find winners and losers. And I used to tell them, identify them. Either you train them, make them good. Otherwise, remind them very strongly, don't make the winners fail. Am I correct? Finally, don't make the winners to fail. So the losers, the quitters, they make the winner like chemotherapy. No. What is to be done? What is to be done? Start treatment, isn't it? The very simple sense, start treatment immediately. Otherwise, what happens? It spread everywhere, isn't it? Sometimes people forget. Now, what is the lesson that comes to our school and institution, our college? How this cancer is related to our college? How this is related to the subject?
Losers will spread.
Yes, again he is giving answer. Somebody else is also giving answer. Losers and quitters spread. They spread very bad impact. They spread negatives. They speak negatives about school, college concerned people. They speak negatives about the winners. You know the winner? You know how Lakshmi got distinction? You know Siddharth got first class? Yeah, it's all like this man, that thing, this thing, man. I studied much better than him. Much better than her. See, the Maharshi, I feel. 7th, 8th, 9th standard children, they come with the mascot to the house. They speak this. They speak the same thing. Because at home I am seeing, oh, Papa, you don't know. Every alphabet, 5 marks are cut. That is why Papa like this. No, I am very good, I am very genius, I am very brilliant. Do we accept that? Your parents will accept that. Huh? Papa, oh, those lectures, Papa, is very hard. Very harsh. 90% failure. And you are? I am also in that 90. So Papa, listen, 90%, oh, my child, 90% failed, my child is okay. But he's going and telling, only 1% is failed. You? Then Papa get tensed. So Papa, now children, they know how to handle parents also. Which category mein parents, how much professional they are, imagine. They discuss in the class how to tackle parents. It's a subject, like a seminar. My Papa will not believe this. Okay, you tell me a story. And he will tell her, all stories together, they'll club, make a good story and take. So let us appreciate, my friends. Let us all wish to be winners. We are not born in this world, we are not born in Hindustan to be the losers. A talk of the society tells, hey, he lost. He studied this and that. No, let the society, let my parents, let my sister, let my brother, let my college proudly tell, yes, he or she studied in this college. You make them proud. Let your parents, the starting introduction I told, let your parents to tell, yes, he's my son. He's a winner. He takes over the entire family. Our 3-time food even he takes here. I am sick. So let us be winners. Only winners are going to make a greater society. Yes or no? So let's go to the next point. So you are going to be winners. So winners
I want to ask you some questions.
at the end.
No, sir. Sir, just here that the winners means quitters or losers. So if speaking from this institution, only from this department we are not losers in life.
No. We will tackle those questions at the end. End of the 3 subjects, we will address that.
Write the question.
You write down and keep in your diary. or notebook, we will address. We go to stages of growth. We should pass through various stages of growth, or we should be directly to your company chairman, company director, or some of you wish to be lecturers here right now. Tell me. Some of you wish to be lecturers here, right on the spot. No. We have, you see, stages of growth. Do we have learning stage? Do we have practicing stage? Doing stage, achieving stage? Where the students comes basically? In which category the students come? Learning? All of you get up? Just get up. Okay, where the students comes? Which category? NDS students comes? In stages of growth. Learning stage? Practicing stage? Doing stage? Achieving stage? Tell me, some of you, at least one of you lift your hand and tell. Already told me. Yes? All 4 stages he is telling. Next? Learning stage, only learning stage. Oh, it became more complicated. Now another person is telling doing stage. There, the last? Achieving stage. Anybody else? Okay, sit down. In a seminar hall, classroom, one of our students asked right now, quitters never win, winners never quit. General application of a candidate. Quitting from the life, quitting from the career, quitting from education. Winner winning in an institution or from any institutions, winner winning in life, winner succeed in a company or any company. General application. Winner can be a winner in any institutions. Winner doesn't have a special application to your particular institution where you are going to be a winner. Now, a winner is being formed through various stages. A winner cannot be over time. I am just telling, okay, you are a winner. It is not possible. A winner is being formed. I think your lecturers might have told you, success is an end or it's a process. How many of you tell success is a process? Really, success is a process? Give a big round of hand to you. Success is a process. Give a big round of hand. So every stage of your growth is having winning stage. Yes or no? Learning stage doesn't have winning stage. Okay, you learned, but you got nothing. No result. You are a winner. Why learning stage is designed? Why learning stage is designed? Why all of you cannot come to this stage and teach? It's not possible. Usually it is not possible. Why? LKG, UKG to 10th standard. How many years we might have studied? Nowadays 14 years. Am I correct? 14 years of study. What you did that during study time? The last, second, third row. Who is the commander there? The third row from back. Who is the commander there? I provide a spare mic. You can come over here and talk. Not you are telling. Means someone want to talk only in public, not to the neighbors. So it get disturbed, not only to your papa, your parents or my parents. They send us to the school almost 12 to 13, 14 years. For what purpose? To learn. Yes or no? They never send you to teach. They send us to teach. They send us to the junior college. For what purpose? To learn again. They send us to the senior college for post-graduation. For what purpose? Is it to learn? Yes. Once the college is out, once you are out of college, you have a certificate of fail, pass, second, first, distinction or first rank. Yes or no? Along with the certificate, you should have qualities. All personality related qualities. There you are going to be a winner. So our parents dedicatedly, very sincerely, very honestly, they send us to the college. The only purpose they had is study, learn. Yes or no? You just imagine 13 years of schooling, no work, no paddy field work, no artisanal work, no coconut garden work. 13 years into school. You just look into your study spirit. How many years we studied? What was the purpose? Learning stage. A good society is being formed, ought to be formed. So they send us to the school, they send us to the college. We should be the same way what we told in the earlier, give importance to the learning stage. Do you understand? Only once you give importance to the learning stage, you will go to the practicing stage. And there is a famous saying, you cannot skip between the stages. Okay, there is a child, it seems, hardly 9 or 10 years old. He is running a company. Well and good, best of luck to him. He is paying income tax 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. Very good. 1 mm lakhs. 1 mm lakhs. But we look at ourselves. We have a huge span of education. We are born to be a winner. Anywhere, any institutions, any company we work. You understand? There, we should be a winner provided we have good learning. That is again related to the knowledge and attitude. We have the knowledge but lack attitude, again problem. So learning stage, please give importance, lot of importance. Going to the practicing stage. There too, you give importance to the practicing, practical applications. I taught you a theory, and I am telling you practically, okay. I call 2 of you here, simply from somewhere. Takka, you will feel fear. Oh, sir, next time, next seminar I will come. Shall I call someone? Certainly I will call, okay? Certainly I will call somewhere from here and there I will call 1 or 2 people here to come and talk. What you learn, you just talk. About one small point, about a small subject. That is called the practicing stage. Everything, each and everything which you learn. Do you have homework at home? Your schooling time you never had homework? Why they gave homework? Practice. Hey, here one gentleman is telling practice. You go home and practice. I used to send in the evening, when a guy leaves from the company, you write 5 pages about attitude and calm. You write 5 pages about attitude and calm. You know why I might have given that particular draft type question and I sent him? Why I might have done it? Tell me. He should go home